if there was a flathead. See the bottom? See the bottom of the water as we go along? Keep winding up, pitch the rod out close to the edge. Let's lift it up and have a look over the side. That's a boy. Go to short towards the edge of the side of it. Now drop it over. You can stand there safely. Because it's calm though. Yes. Here we go. Nathaniel, here. Take this one. Wind that one in. Wind it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, don't drop me rod.
Right.
Come on, Nathaniel. Look over the side. Keep going. Keep going, mate.
Strong one.
Yeah, you got to. He is a strong one. You got to bring him up. Get this one out of the way. Oh, he's a big flathead. Well done, Nathaniel. Well done. He's a size. Well done.
Told you it was special.
Wow.
I got it for you guys.
He did. Do you want to? Do you want to hold that so that Dad can get this next to you? Look at Dad. No, I'm not going to put him on you. Nathaniel, look at Dad. Hold your rod up a bit.
Smile.
Wow. Nathaniel's first big flathead. Well, it's not his first flathead, but it's that one I reckon would go size. We're going to try it.
He's still going nuts. I think you caught him in the mouth.
Do you want to use this rod now?
Yeah. Because it's way funner.
Way funner? Righto. Well, you can use this one. I'll put a bit more bait on for you. Ready? What you do with that one, you just put it on the bottom. And oh, there goes my hip. Put it on the bottom and you just lift it up and down. That's all you do. Lift it up. See, Dad put a bit of bait on. Now, what we do to let this one out, I'll help you let it out. Almost on the bottom now, Nathaniel. All you got to do is wait for the fish to bite. Okay, look, when Dad starts winding, it clicks over. Now, as soon as you get a big one on there, you got to hook him. Now, you just hold it. Look, you're getting a bite. No, wait. Go like this. Look, let Daddy help you. Hold it up.
No, I'm jiggling it.
Yeah, okay. No, don't jiggle. Just lift it gently. This one. Just lift him up gentle. Drop it back down. If you feel one start to grab it, just stop. Now stop for a minute. He'll probably pick it up. Look, here he is. He's picked it up. There we go. You got him. Nathaniel's got one. He's a big one.
Big one.
Yeah.
He's a big flathead.
He's a big flathead. I'll help you in a minute, darling. Just keep. Yeah, righto. Come over the side, a bit further over, Fennel. That's a big one. That's a big fish. Oh my God, he's got a big one. He's got another one after it. He's a lift. Wait there for a sec. I need this net. Wait a sec. Just keep him there, Fennel. Oh, come on. Keep him there. Don't lose him. Yeah. Wait.
It's a big fat one.
Yeah, I know it is.
Dad, pick it up. It's in. I love that.
Wow.
I caught a second flathead.
You did.
And everything went on the floor, Daniel.
And now the bait went on
Oh,
the
yes,
floor.
and I filmed it all. Here we go, Nathaniel.
A second fish of the day.
Wait, does he have spikes?
Yes, they do.
They always do.
Let's see how big he is, okay? We'll measure him.
Yep.
See how big he is for size. Now, just leave that over the side there
Being rusty with his tail.
for a minute. Just leave him there for a minute.
That's bad.
My God, these are good size ones. 35. 35, well and truly over. He's good size. Now, that's two. Now, show me your line. Dad's going to put a bit more bait on for you. It doesn't look like Dad's going to be doing any fishing today. But I don't care. Do you want some fish on, darling? It'll be a lot better, I reckon.
How is that so heavy?
Yeah, I'll put fish on for you. Chops are no good now, I don't think. because the fish is working. Okay, there, Nathaniel. Now when you drop it
Now
back,
drop it.
push that one down. That's it. Now see it rolling off. See it rolling off. You only have to help it a little bit. When it stops rolling, start winding. When it stops rolling altogether, keep it going.
Done.
Keep it going.
I don't spike yourself.
It's all right. Right, this is good, isn't it?
Remember that time when I whatever it is, hooked myself?
I do. You do all right with the bait. With this bait, I reckon. Salmon's good bait. It's a couple of nice chunks.
You see your bait?
Remember when you hook one, you can stand over next to the edge so it's easier for you. Right. It's in. Double
And if you
whammy.
feel safer with Charlie holding you while you're over there, Charlie will, okay?
I think drop it down.
Then you'll believe if you bait.
That's all right. Probably fish bladder. No, it's probably just where I just did that. Cut myself on that. That's all right.
Yeah, it's a grace.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Doesn't worry me. That's fine. Take that off.
We're all standing up, Daniel.
Yep. That's the way, guys. Get rid of the chop.
Say bye-bye, Chop.
That's the boy, Thannel. That's all you got to do.
That one keeps moving.
You got a beauty there, my boy. That's it. He's got another one. Look. No. Yeah, he has. He's got one. Right, now the net I need this time is this one.
Daniel, how do you keep getting fish?
Because I keep going.
Oh,
Oh, in the net. There we go.
one.
I keep gaining them.
You keep getting them. My God.
They're on Daniel's side.
I reckon they like Thaniel's line. Now this one might be a bit no, this one might be a bit smaller, boy. If it's smaller, we got to let him go, okay? Because they've got to be a certain size.
Oh, that one has moved.
Let's try him.
Still
I'm going to go on
Look.
Daniel's side.
They've got to be 32, right? So that one's only 29. Okay, we're going to let him go. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh, he went in.
He wants to stay with us, but he can't. He's too little. Hang on. Dad's got a thing to pick these up with. Where is it? Here it is. Here it is. Right. See that? That's Dad's thing to pick them up with. So I can go like that. Or we can just go like that.
Oh, he went under.
And there he goes, under the boat.
He went on your side, Charlotte.
All right, you still got bait on yours, boy. You can drop it back in. You know how to drop it back in now, don't you? Click that down. That's a boy. Oh, it's hooked. Hang on, it's hooked at the end. We'll unhook that. There you go.
Yeah, I'm getting bites straight away on this side. Though.
Yeah, you will. Just let them take it a bit before you hook them. Because they're not getting it straight in their mouth first. Hang on, let Daddy undo that just a little bit. That's it. Don't you touch this bit though. See it's still running? Wait till it stops running and then start to wind so it clicks over. Okay, that's called a bait caster. Bait casting reel.
That's the boat. The boat. The gun.
Got one, look at this. Sit there, stand up. You're not going to be able to fight him lying down. Stand up on the floor. You're sitting there with your legs crossed. He's a big one. My God, I'm going to need this, I reckon. This could be, oh, he's a big flatty. Come over here. Yes, he's got his third. He's got his third. Look at this. Well done.
I caught my third flathead.
Third, yep. Oh, you got him under the neck. See? This is what I mean. Sometimes you've got to pull hard because they might not have it there. He swam over top of it and you got him. He must have grabbed it and started to swim off and you got him. Well done. Hang on, I'll put a bit of bait on. I'll measure it. Make sure he's size. Right.
Whoa, fishy, stay.
Oh yes, 33. Well done, Nathaniel. I've got to put a bit of bait on for you, boy. Bit of bait.
There's
Here we go.
above you.
Yep. You like this? You like this fishing rig?
Yeah,
How would you like Daddy to let you have this one?
yeah.
Would that be good?
Here in my bite.
Righto, push the button and let it drop. It's got some flathead. Oh, Mummy's going to be happy with you. Right. Make sure it's on the bottom.
Now, I caught. Wait,
Yeah.
Dad, you should get some more of them.
I got some photos of them. Don't
Oh, sorry.
I just had a monster bite on there.
I almost hooked into you.
Yeah, now look what I'm doing with it. Oh, okay, just,
I almost hooked into you.
it's okay, boy. I'm not going to go growling at you. Right, here we go.
And Dad, another piece of bacon.
Here you are, Charlotte.
Oh.
Here's that, darling. Put that, pass me back the net.
Careful.
Yeah, quick. Pass me back the net. Now, do you know how to use that one? Just wind backwards.
Dad!
Pull it out the end.
Dad! It's hooked up to you!
That's okay, boy. I'm not worried. Charlotte, can you help me with this, darling? Oh, my God. Mine's having a bite. Quick. You got it out?
There it is.
Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one.
Here you go, Dad.
Oh, hang on. I've got a big one on.
Ready? Drop it. You can't drop it over yet. So put it in the bucket with the fish.
Oh,
Put
my
it in the
God.
bucket.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at this.
Dad's got one.
Oh, sugar. This is a shark, I reckon. It's massive. Whatever it is, it's massive. Here it comes.
Hope it won't.
Hang on.
Oh, the big shark, can't it?
It's something that's pretty big. Actually, it doesn't feel like a shark. It really doesn't feel like a shark. It feels like it's something really big, though, but not a shark.
What is this fancy?
It's coming straight up. Oh, yes, it is a sort of a draft board shark.
Oh, Dad.
Hey, come over here and have a look at this, guys. Check this out.
It's a
Dad,
big...
get us the net.
Get the net, Dad. Before it takes off. I think that one's the one that I caught and then I caught it.
Daddy, we got shark.
Oh, I love sharks.
Oh, oh.
I love sharks.
So what are we gonna do now?
Well, we got photos of this one. He's got a big mouth. We've got to watch that. Got to watch out. He's got no spikes.
You tangled your line up pretty bad.
Yep, they're no good to eat. You don't eat them. You're not allowed to eat them anyway. Here we go. He's just swum through it pretty much.
How can't you eat them?
Oh.
Wow.
He doesn't have any teeth.
Do you want to hold him under
No,
here?
no,
Do you want Daddy to hold him next to you so I can get a photo?
no.
Look,
That's all right.
it's
Look.
okay.
I'm
Don't
not-
want to.
No, that's
Don't
all right.
touch it.
Charlotte,
I
Charlotte.
don't want to.
Hold him under the fins, darling. He can't do nothing. Under the fins, like no, his body's fine. Look, hold him under the fin. Put one hand under there, other one under this one. Hold him nice and tight under the fins. Up here. Keep hold of him. Don't drop him. Stay there. That looks great.
I don't like this. It's touching me. Dad.
Look at the size of his gob.
Dad.
Wow,
Dad.
what?
Take this right now.
All right, hang on.
Can I put him on the floor?
Hang on. No. Because I'll try to pick him up, I reckon.
You can.
He's a big one. Right, we've got to let him go.
Can I put him in?
Oh, hang on, I've got it. No. In a sec, yeah, darling, you can.
Right.
Can you do it the same way I did?
Hello.
You just pick him.
Hello. Shut up.
No, got to watch your line. Now, come up behind him, like, as long as you're behind him like this, you know, you pick him up anywhere back there. Don't put your hand under there. And he won't bite you. No, he's not going to bite you. You got
No.
No.
What kind of shark is it?
That, it's one of those, what do they call it? Carpet, draft board shark, carpet shark. Something like that. I could be wrong, but
Big teeth. And the sharks
Can you
have
just
teeth.
leave him there for a little bit?
just for a little bit, but not long, because otherwise it'll stress him out.
Hello.
Okay?
Hello. Oi.
If you don't get him away from your rod, he'll bite the line off, I reckon. Grab his tail. Just remember, his teeth is the only sharp bit in there. He's got no spikes, nothing. Lift him up by the tail, but watch your legs. Keep your legs back. Don't get that mouth near your legs. Lift him up straight out from you. Come out away from you a bit with him, and stand up with him so I can get a good photo of you with him. And watch your legs. Watch that mouth. There we go. Stand back a bit. Lift him up higher. Oh my God. Now you can let him go if you like. Oh, hang on. Wait, how about I dip this in the water? We'll watch him.
I hope I don't catch a shark.
Oh, well, if you catch one, boy, Daddy will help you. Jeez, what's going on here, bro?
Then just don't touch it when it's like
Right,
this.
hang on.
Stand up.
Yeah, guys, this is a big one.
You got another big one, Daniel.
Could be the same one we let go. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, gee, this is bigger. This is bigger.
I think I got them too.
Oh, I'm not getting any gain on him. Look at this.
What is it?
I don't know. He's, oh,
Look at the shark.
oh, he's got some go.
Oh, the other one's
Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a big fish.
Or is it sharp?
I'm just going to keep the play on for a minute.
Is it still a shark, Dad?
I don't know.
Maybe it's the exact same shark.
Oh, Jesus, I'm having trouble with this little rod. They can't give you too much. I need to get a bit of, need to get a bit back. He's getting tired yet? No, not yet. Now he's come up a little bit then, but not much.
Dad, I think I need more bait.
He's coming up a bit now. Here he comes, up a bit more.
Do you need the net?
No, not yet. I'm nowhere near the surface. Still all the way down the bottom. I've got something on that back one too. He's staying straight under the boat. Look at this. He's coming up a little bit at a time, but I don't want to break the line. If I can get him up just a little bit at a time like this, this would be
I
great.
don't have any bait, dude.
Dad, I don't have any bait.
Alright, wait a sec.
Look, Dad. Do you want to move the piece of chicken out of your...
Come on, up he comes.
Leave your rod down.
Oh God, I have to sit down. No, everybody move the other way a bit. He's pulling the boat over its side.
Just a little bit.
There's a little piece of bait here, darling, if you want to put a bit on for you. But it's better off to wait till Dad catches this because he'll swim around your line. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. And whiting. Nice little whiting.
Do you have to,
That's those little bites we was getting sharp.
And by the way, I'm bringing the fish to Tina's. Yep. And I'm gonna bring the white okay. Well, I don't want to go there. Can I have a shot?
Okay. Yep. Alright. Too sure which way to go. I might go, actually I might go over that ladder over there. What do you reckon? Or just here?
That one's too hard to get out at.
Here?
Yeah.
Nah, it won't. Whereabouts do you want to tie yours, Cover? Yeah, no worries. Alright, now what? We'll go alongside here, on this side. Alright, we'll be on this side. Perfect for us. Alright. Now, Shark, can you get ready to hold the pole for me, darling? Don't put your hands in too hard. Alright, wait a sec. Go back to 3. That's it, wait a sec. sec, I might be able to get it myself, okay? There we go. Perfect landing. In a second. Right, I'll be able to take that rope with you now. The big rope that you got in there on the, underneath the bag. That one, yeah.
I don't want to help you.
Yeah. I've got a bit of help here today. I'm pretty lucky. Right, Daniel, can you come up through, help him up through there, Charlotte? You just help him on. Alright? Make sure he stands there with it. Stand still. Right? Hold on that rope. Yeah, just stay there for a sec and I'll get this off. Just hook the rope around the pole. Hold on for a sec. It's fine.